Hi guys, I'm Mala. I am back with another video for you guys. So I was getting ready for a meeting and I realized that I have not yet done a contouring video, and it's one of my favorite things, as you guys know. And I thought I'll take the opportunity to tell you how I do my contouring, and yes, I am using my NW50 again. It's the Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation from MAC, and I'm gonna use it for my contouring. And the brush that I'm using, the sculpting brush from Real Techniques by Salariya. And now I shall commence the tutorial. Here we go. This is the shade that I use. It is NW50. It's quite dark and I love it because then it really does a good job with the contouring. Now I am going to I love the Lishkaras in my life, and the time that I least expect them, or I'm not even, see, now it's not coming. When I'm not even thinking about it, it comes. Come on, Lishkara, come on. Ah, there we go. Alright, back to the tutorial. So you wanna feel the hollow under the cheekbone. So this is your cheekbone where you put on your blusher. You feel the hollow under it and you follow that hollow with your brush. Or the second thing that you can do is you draw an imaginary line to the middle of the ear or the sideburns from the side of your lip on either side, and on this line or on the hollow under the cheekbone you can find the point that is perfect for contouring. And here we go. Yeah, and that is why a lot of people say do this, because when you suck it in, it will obviously only go in where it's hollow. So where we have our cheekbone, it will not go in because of the cheekbone. So what this does is basically tells you where the hollow part is. So any of these three things you can do and find the spot that is right here and just do that. Yes, it looks like it is too much, but I assure you it is not. Now onto the other side. Same thing, take some product, and feel the hollow. So this is the hollow. My finger is going in. This is the hollow. So this is the line. And here we go. How pretty. Why merge? Why bother? Alright. So I'm gonna first put it all over the face because I think that's gonna be so much fun. It's gonna be visually amusing. So let's have fun. Okay, this is done. Now I am gonna go into my hairline and my temples. I don't keep it super dark over here. I keep it slightly more natural. Temples and hairline. What is next? What could it be? It's our nose, y'all. Alright, even though this is a very good shape, it is angular and it is not too wide, I still like to pinch it when I'm doing my nose because it is a very small area and we don't want to get the product anywhere else. So we pinch it and we put it, and it looks visually amazing, which was the brief. Okay. And on this side, now you want to be very careful. None of it should be on the full frontal top of the nose. It has to be on the sides. So we we will leave it there, hence accomplishing the visual amusement. Now we go to our jawline, because you know, we're like, we don't want to keep doing that all day long. So I start with this, the dreaded double chin area, and then we take some more and I take it all along. Now okay, look at this. So I am not on the face, okay? I am neither on the face nor am I under the face. I'm right on the bone. So you want to create, basically contouring is what? You want to play with shadows, you want to play with light, you want to create a contour or shadow in the right place, so your your face, which is already beautiful and awesome, becomes even more prettier and amazing. And when we create a shadow right over here, it looks great because the jawline becomes more prominent. Whether it was or was not before we started is totally out of the question. Anyway, the point is that if you put it a little above, it will not create a shadow, because see, light will either come from front or above. I doubt there's going to be any situation where light comes from this angle in your life, until and unless you're trying to scare someone with a torch at night, and I don't think we're contouring for that. Okay, so I'm sitting here. Right now the light is topish and the shadow is here. So we are basically creating a faux shadow, so that even if now there's no shadow, but we want the shadow to constantly be there, whether the light is topish or sideish or frontal or whatever. And that is how we accomplish that. Now I'll show you again. So you follow the jawbone. Do not go too under, do not go too upar. Right now, I usually blend it with this, but since it's all about contouring today, I will take another brush and do a nicer, more proper job at it. So I am taking my Vega brush, and this is PV19, and actually my mom gifted me this whole Vega brush set, and even though I have put other brushes into it, it's all falling down. This whole brush set, and a couple of more actually, which are not here right now. This was a gift from mommy. Thank you, mommy. And I'm gonna start. So the lightest first. What you want to do with the temples is bring it down, because that's the direction of your hair. If you go like that, your hair will be toing toing. That ain't nice, and we don't really want that. No, we don't. So this goes down, even this goes down. Down, 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 down. Arey yaar, there was a song na? Down, 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 down. यार कौन सा गाना था? कोई तो बताओ. अच्छा, comment section में tell me. Okay, if you know this song. Down, 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 down. Trust me, it is a song. Okay, so usually I ask my brother such questions, and so I go like, ये कौन सा गाना है? And I sing apparently my version of it, and 99.999999999% of the times my brother says, ऐसा कोई गाना नहीं है. Like, there's literally no song resembling whatever it is that you are mumbling right now. So I just got a flashback of that. Alright then, coming back here. ऐसा है गाना, मुझे पता है, मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, ऐसा गाना है. What you want to do is go upwards. upwards. Don't ever pull your face down. That's not good. So go upwards. What you can do is go into your hairline, or imagine like you are going into the hairline and you will follow the right direction. Just to this edge, you can lightly do a to and fro motion, but with a very light hand, not like gus 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 gus. Also, what you want to do is don't take it down here. If you want to merge it, take it up a little. That is still fine, but don't bring it down. The thing is, again, whatever you blend, it extends. That, I'm serious, that is your motto. Like, if there's one thing for makeup that you need to remember, whatever you blend extends. That goes to foundation. So when you are putting foundation, don't put like a mask of foundation all over your face. Just put some dots and then blend it, because it'll extend. Mainly start with the center and then blend it out, because this area, any which ways we want to keep slightly dark. Same goes with your concealer. So when you're putting your concealer, don't do a solid triangle. I mean, that's a good place to put the concealer, but don't put it in the entire thing. There's no place to blend it to, because this portion we want dark with our nose, and this portion we want dark. It's only this that we want light. So if you put it in the whole thing and then you blend it, where will it go? It will ruin your contouring, or there will be too much product. There'll be foundation, there'll be concealer upar se, then you'll be putting contour. Actually, I have done a separate video on concealer, and if you are interested in that, I'll link it upar. Go watch it. I just hit myself in the head with it. Go watch it. It is going to be helpful, because concealer is a key thing in our makeup, and it's very important to get it right. Okay, so again I'm taking slightly upar, but never niche. This is the cutoff line. You can take it slightly upar, and don't bring it any further. Just almost imagine like from the eye, draw a line. From the end of the eye, draw a line down, and that is the end point. Your cutting, your contouring should not, cannot, shall not extend this Lakshman Rekha. Now, see, because I spent so long merging it and blending it, it is very natural. The highlighter is here, the blusher is here, the contouring is here. So in this little area, there are 3 different things happening. So you have to be very careful to stick to the place that that particular product needs to be for its best effect. So again, from the eye, draw an imaginary line, and this is where it has to end, and that is where it did. So we are good. Alrighty then, our noses. It's time for our nosies. Put the side of the brush. Don't use this, use this. It comes out a lot nicer than doing this, because this covers the whole side of the nose, whereas this would only cover this line, and then there will be this line, and this will be lighter and this will be lighter. So use the side, so the entire side gets the color. Oh, also, when you're doing this, take it upwards. Take it almost into your eyebrow. Everything, when you're doing your makeup, everything has to be merged into the adjacent thing. So what's adjacent to your nose is your eyebrows and your eye contours. So this has to be merged. There cannot be blotches and patches of things wherever they're supposed to be. It has to merge into whatever is next to it. So everything merges into the adjacent vicinity. The bridge of the nose is supposed to not have any contouring product. Hence, I am just going to take my sponge and dab on the bridge of the nose, so that if at all there was anything, it will get removed, and if there wasn't anything, at least the harsh line, if there was any, will be, well, not harsh anymore. I have not extended it beyond the nose, but if you do, just take the part of the sponge which you did your concealer with and just put it here in case there was anything that came slightly off the nose and onto the under eye area. Last but not the least, our jawline. Like every other area, we lightly start blending it for a natural effect. One thing to keep in mind is to take it slightly down. So you blend and blend and blend. And oh my god, we have finished our contouring and I love it. I'm loving it, guys. I hope you are too. Please tell me how you like this video. If you have any questions, comment down below and I shall see you in the comment section. Also, please give my video a thumbs up if you liked it. Please like, share, subscribe and share with your friends. I'll see you soon, guys. Love you. Mwah.